for the multiplier. The multiplier meaning, okay, if I bring a property that's, let's say I bought it at, let's keep the numbers very simple, at 10% cap. That means the capital works at 10%. I paid $1 million. It's making 100,000. That means 10% on the million. The million was the purchase price. It's netting NOI, net operating income is $1 million, is 100,000. That's 10% cap. Now, if I increase that $100,000 net into 110,000, I increase it by just 10,000. The multiplier is 10 times. It's now worth $1.1 million. These multipliers make you very wealthy. So sometimes when you're rehabbing, you're not just buying a property based on the cap rate, based on the net from its income, but you're buying a property and you say, I'm going to buy this property at $1 million. And I'm going to actually add a master bedroom. And I'm going to actually change the backyard. And I'm going to add this and improve the kitchen. I'm going to spend 200, but the return on investment, these things, add square footage or add this, it's actually every dollar I spend will give me $2. So I'm going to spend, I bought it at $1 million. I'm going to spend 200, calculate another 50,000 for cost of holding the money and the time, which most people don't calculate, but I calculate because I'm a fund guy, not a fun guy, fund as in real estate funds. I'm also fun, but that's beside the point, right? 250,000 I spend, but I'm going to sell it at 1.5 million. So my 250 in is going to get me 250 on the two. That's 100% on the rehab money. So now I'm going to back out the numbers. I'm going to say that million, do I need to put it all cash? Can I just put 250 down? Oh, I can put 250 down, spend another 250 and then make on the exit a net of 150. Because by the time I pay commissions and closing costs and all this. So now 500,000 total is gonna take 8 to 9 months. I'm gonna make 150. Wow, my returns are great. I have the margin of safety. The multipliers work. In businesses, it's a cash flow, it's a grind. I'm by the business, I gotta work the business, I gotta make sure employees show up. You know, anytime you're dealing with employees, they're gonna, you know, there are opportunities and challenges. I have a lot of staff, I work with people, I like to create a bigger pie. And frankly, it's a combination of luck, and I've been blessed to have the right people working with me. And even with the right people working with you and all this, guess what? I get very frustrated when it's holiday time. I can't reach anybody. Christmas, everything's closed, New Year's Eve. And then, oh my God, there was a lot of rain, and those that are in LA and in San Francisco, a lot of rain has been going on for 2 weeks. I need stuff to happen. I can't rely on people showing up and all this because they're human beings. And that's where we should actually, I'll close with you looking at what's going on with artificial intelligence is gonna change the world, is gonna substitute workers, is gonna change so much. Now, it's not the end of the world. We evolve. I remember when they changed from, they came up with VCRs. It was my time, and they came up with VCRs. You can buy the VHS tapes and put them and whatever. And I saw somebody say in the news, oh, it's the end of movie theaters. It wasn't the end of movie theaters. It actually just created another avenue for us to watch movies, and people wanted to go to movie theater as a special event, etc. So we evolve. I am curious, and I want to see how it's going to affect our real estate business. AI could be phenomenal. I mean, we can actually feed this chat GPT. You can look it up. You can put information in it. How can I improve my occupancy for this? And it comes up with ideas and stuff. It just takes your brain to another level. Good stuff. As I know more about it, I'll share more on it. And hopefully 2023 will be a great year for all of you.